Okay, the pressure there from the word go and down 85 on the Nifty. Welcome back. Jay Thakkar is with us. Jay, good to have you with us here. The 20-day on the Nifty is still, I think, 35 points away. Do you think today's price action will see follow through in the days to come, or this is one of those halts, pauses, and then, the dip gets bought and the market moves higher once again? What's your bias?
Hi, very good morning to you, Prashant. Prashant, will I see that Nifty on the upside definitely has a very clear resistance around the levels of 18,700, and till those levels aren't taken off, yes, this might just continue. Might not turn out to be a very good longer correction. I would say it can get into a small correction or a consolidation till 18,700 is not taken off. By that, I would say that on the downside, if at all this continues on the lower side, then I think mainly we can see the levels of 18,400 to 18,300 on the downside. That's the downside risk as of now in the short term. And 18,700 is a clear-cut resistance. As far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, Prashant, there is where the action is. I would say that clear-cut, there is a good upward momentum out there, and there is no sign of reversals. And that is what is helping Nifty to, in fact, hold out to these levels as well. Else, it would have actually fallen to 18,400, 450 already. So I would say that banks would be helping Nifty to not fall much. The momentum out there is quite positive, and over there we see 43,500 as a reversal level. It's trading around the levels of 44,000 right now. I think till those levels are held on a closing basis, overall the trend will remain positive for the targets of almost 44,700 to 45,000 going forward.
Okay, so Bank Nifty will not, will at least support markets. But as we speak, Bank Nifty is at the day's low, Jay. But keeping that aside, what are your technical picks for the day?
Sure. So, since I'm bullish on Bank Nifty, for the short term, I have a buy recommendation first on Federal Bank, which is trading around the levels of 141 right now. One can buy Federal Bank targeting around 155 in the short to medium term. On the lower side, I believe that there is a good support around the levels of 137. So with that as a stop loss, one can buy Federal Bank. It has provided a breakout from a nice consolidation, a good rounding bottom pattern formed as well, and the momentum in fact have reversed in the short term as well. So that is the first buy recommendation which I have. Second buy recommendation is on Gujarat Gas. Now this I had recommended few days ago as well on your channel, and it has actually moved as per our anticipation. Today it has again confirmed the breakout on the upside. It has provided a breakout from a symmetrical triangular pattern which has a short-term target of 575. So one can buy this placing a stop loss below 520, and on the upside 575 is the immediate target.
Okay, Jay, thank you so much for joining us and talking to us all about technicals of the market. By the way, Bank Nifty is seeing some pressure, so that index is down 40 points at the day's low. And some of these names, the likes of SBI, we have Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank, all of them are at the day's low as well. So putting some pressure on the Bank Nifty, which started in the red, but yes, seeing some incremental pressure coming in from these individual names, so to say. But in the broader markets, the other stock which is under pressure is IRCTC after the government announces an offer for sale in the company.